एक मुद्दत से आरज़ू थी फुर्सत की, मिली तो इस शर्त पे कि किसी से ना मिलो। शहरों का यूं वीरान होना कुछ यूं गजब कर गया। बरसों से पड़े गुमसुम घरों को आबाद सा कर गया। जिंदगी में पहली बार ऐसा वक्त आया, इंसान ने जिंदा रहने के लिए कमाना छोड़ दिया। ये कैसा वक्त आया कि दूरियां ही दवा बन गई। घर गुलजार सोने शहर, बस्ती बस्ती में कैद हर हस्ती हो गई। आज फिर जिंदगी महंगी और दौलत सस्ती हो गई। गली मोहल्ले शहर सभी हो चुके सुनसान। लाशें हुई लावारिस, देखो सड़कें बनी शमशान। काल बना कोरोना जब से देश में घुस आया है। कैद हुए सब अपने घरों में, ये कैसा दिन दिखलाया है। नन्हे नन्हे हाथों ने आज हाथ जोड़कर रोटी मांगी। ना पैसा ना कपड़े मांगे, भूख मिटा दो मिन्नत मांगी। आंखें भी उनकी प्यासी थी, होठ भी उनके सूखे थे। दहल गया दिल देखकर, जाने कब से वो भूखे थे। दुनिया की लाचारी पर दिल अब अपना भी ये रोता है। लाशें गिरी सड़क पर जिसकी, वो घर अब कैसे सोता है। कैद में है हम तो फिर भी देखो डर रहे। शुक्रिया है उनका जो हम सबकी खातिर लड़ रहे। अब हमको भी फर्ज निभाना है, कोरोना को हराना है। सतर्कता ही सुरक्षा है, संकल्प जन जन तक पहुंचाना है। कोई बेबस आए चौखट पर, खाली हाथ उसे ना लौटाना। कपड़े पैसे मत दो चाहे, पेट भर कर खाना देना। कोरोना से कैसे लड़ना है सरकार देख रही है। किसी को भूख से ना लड़ना पड़े, ये हम सबको देखना है।
A very warm welcome to all of you. My name is Thavda, and first of all, I would like to say thanks to my institute PIET for providing us such quality education. As we all know that we are in the midst of global pandemic, and this pandemic has hit the almost every sector of the world. So today, my team members are going to throw some valuable points about the economic impact of coronavirus. So I want to begin it with you, Miss Avantika Agarwal. Please share with us what is coronavirus.
Hello everyone, today I will tell you about the coronavirus. Coronavirus is a type of family virus that causes illness in human beings, including common cold and more severe forms like MERS, which stands for Middle Last Respiratory System, and SARS, which stands for Severe Acute Respiratory System. Coronavirus is that type of virus which spreads from one person to another and is mostly found in animals. There is no specific treatment about the coronavirus, however, its symptoms can be cured. We can prevent the coronavirus by using frequent hand washing, coughing into the bend of elbow, and staying at home when you are sick.
So now I would like to ask question from Miss Monica that what is pastel?
Hello everybody, I'm gonna tell you about the business environment affected by the novel coronavirus. Best analysis of coronavirus. So first of all, we need to know what is business environment. Business environment is the sum total of all the internal factors and all the external factors that impact the business, whether directly or indirectly. So if we want to do the business environment analysis, we need to do the pastel analysis. So for pastel analysis, in pastel, P stands for political environment, E stands for economical environment, S stands for social environment, T stands for technological environment, L stands for legal environment, and the last E stands for environmental analysis. I will discuss in short for all of them. As a political environmental effect, the effect of coronavirus has led to the political dissatisfaction among the citizens. And in economical environmental, the effect of coronavirus on the Indian economy or the Indian industry has been up to a great extent. In imports, the dependence of India is very huge on China. And also in the export sector, the major sectors are being affected, that is cotton, plastic and ores, etc. As a social environment, the huge effect of corona has been seen. It has led to the panic to the some places where the positive cases of coronavirus has been rising day by day. Also, the government has initiated some steps to stop spreading the coronavirus. The steps are Janta curfew, lockdown version 2. As a technological environment, The spread of coronavirus has led to the important tech conferences be cancelled. Government has also initiated some steps to detection of the coronavirus. It has launched its two apps. First was Corona Kavach and the second is Arogya Setu app. For the education sector, the students are learning on the online platforms that are Google Classroom, Byju's, Vedantu, Microsoft Teams, and the most popular Zoom app, and so many more. And also, the people are working from home. Many of the prestigious online platforms, institutes are providing online free courses for the students for free to improve their skills. As a legal environmental effect, there is a disruption in supply chains. We can see that the performance of so many contracts has been delayed, has been postponed, or even cancelled due to this pandemic outbreak. And as an environmental analysis, environmental impact is very big. There is a drastic change in the climate and in the temperature. We can see the clear sky, we can see less pollution, we can breathe freely. In fact, the ozone layer is healing by itself.
So now I would like to ask from Sonu that what are the political impacts on our Indian economy?
Hello everyone, it's me Sonu Sharma. Today, whole world is suffering from an epidemic disease that is COVID-19, novel coronavirus. This pandemic disease rooted all over the mankind and millions of people has been affected and thousands of people has been lost their life. Many countries has been struggling with this disease where list of the countries has been succeeded in this where India is also trying all the possible way to fight with this disease where India is a democratic country where political environment plays an important major role in this. About the Indian political environment that is affected towards the coronavirus. Marcus Jamati issues and targeting a specific religion as a whole. According to Indian Council Medical Research Report, it is reported that from the total number of cases, 30% cases were found from the Jamatis only. So it is being criticized by the people and targeting a specific religion as a whole. Central government claims for the state government to cooperate, where central government asks for the mutual cooperation from this state government and order to follow up. But in response to the central government, state government replied that the equipment which was provided by the central government was faulty, error and defective at all. Let's talk about the global political environment that is affected towards coronavirus. USA named COVID-19 as a Chinese virus or Wuhan virus. US lawmakers sued a file against Chinese government asking for the penalty of $20 trillion. India plays a big positive role in world politics by helping 55 different countries by providing SCQ and paracetamol and many more equipment to the SAARC countries like Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka and so on. In conclusion, we can say that how coronavirus is affected towards the global and Indian economy. Thank you.
So as Mr. Sonu told us about the political impact of Indian economy, I would like to ask to Ms. Ghazal that what are the economic impact on our Indian economy?
According to me, coronavirus is more of an economic disaster than a health pandemic. Let me explain why. Our Indian economy is already under stress due to this pandemic and the reason is demand depression. There are major two components that impact the economic growth of India. First one is demand of the commodity and second is purchasing power of the customer. Both are going to be very low as it restricts in the hand of people. If people are not going to work, they are not getting paid. If they are not getting paid, they will spend less money. And in this way, a negative cycle comes into play. More than 200 crore people sink into poverty. Due to COVID-19, the Indian economy is adversely affected right from the macro level to micro level and is reduced to 1.10%. The losses are more destructive. Farmers are not able to market their cultivated crops. 50% of the farmers are not able to pay their bank loans. Indian Railways and airlines bears a loss of 100 crore as all the domestic and international flights are restricted. India's 86.2% of total import is dependent on China. There is no doubt that COVID-19 adversely affects all the economies of the world. However, there are some positive facts that contour the negativity of coronavirus. Our education system turns to online classes in few days. This will become the permanent feature for education system. Amazon is hiring 1 lakh workers as people are shifting to online shopping. All countries started focusing on the development of essential items to ensure the sustained supply in the country. At last, we can hope and pray that the episode of COVID-19 will end soon and life will come back to normal.
So now I would like to ask from Miss Tanya, what are the social impacts of coronavirus on our Indian economy?
There is not denying the fact that the present circumstances made me feel so much grateful about my life. If you feel healthy and safe, then count your blessing twice. COVID-19 affects all the segments of the population, is particularly determinant to the members of the social groups in the most vulnerable situations, continue to the affect population, including people with poverty situations, old person and the indigenous person. Early evidence indicates that the health and the economic impact of the virus are being disproportionately by the poor people. For example, homeless people, because they are unable to get the shelter from the pandemic and its aftermath, whether due to the limited movements, fewer employment opportunities and xenophobia. If not properly addressed through the policy, the social crisis created by the COVID-19 pandemic may also increase the indiscrimination, inequality and global unemployment in the medium and the steps to prevent COVID-19. Keeping space between you and others is the only best solutions to avoid this virus. Social distancing can be boring and frustrating but can be bearable if you will follow your hobbies at home. Thank you.
So Miss Monica, as you are the IT expert, what are the technological impacts of coronavirus on our Indian economy?
Let's talk the impact on the technology of COVID-19, also known as coronavirus. A serious epidemic is not just hitting the individuals but also the businesses globally. With this epidemic turning into a serious threat to the global economy, the IT industry is sure to take a hit. So in this one, I try to focus on the impact of this virus that has on the technology industry. So the initial outbreak of this coronavirus was in China, that has disrupted global supply chain, but as the outbreak has become into a global pandemic, that the consequences have become even more far-reaching and less predictable. Mobile World Conference, a seminar conference in the telecommunication industry, was among the first in a string of industry conferences and the keynotes to be cancelled as a part of containment efforts. And as more the employees are being asked to work remotely, the industry faces delayed initiatives and missed partnership opportunities. Opportunities will help to limit the fallout from cancelled conferences, but the tech industry will still likely to suffer a period of steeper innovation due to foregone in-person business opportunities. The growing need for remote interaction amid coronavirus pandemic has highlighted the need for 5G technology, potentially accelerating adoption in the long term. Telehealth. The technical superiority of the new standard empowers the physicians to diagnose, treat and operate on patients without the need to be physically near them. We have seen such use cases for 5G to combat coronavirus in China. In January, ZTE and China Telecom has designed a 5G powered system that enables the remote consultations, diagnoses the virus by connecting physicians to West China Hospital to 27 hospitals treating infected persons. With the ability of 5G to expand its reach of expertise and the services offered by the hospitals in this time of increased need, we expect more hospitals to look into the 5G technology for availing the advantage of the benefit offered by the new standard. Teleconferencing. Many employers have increased their reliance on teleconferencing tools such as Microsoft Teams, Google Hangouts, and Zoom. As employees are working remotely due to the public health concern, we expect that the employees' dependence on these tools will strengthen the case for 5G connectivity in the home or at the office, because the enterprises recognizes the value that the teleconferencing tools offer. That's because 5G connection able to provide a real-time and uninterrupted communication is not possible with the most wide connections today. Coronavirus could highlight possible use cases for virtual reality in enterprises, boosting the technology uptake. Companies have been already But VR as a tool for improving employees' training. But the coronavirus could prove to be impetus for some workplaces to implement the technology. The investment in smart city solution will continue to grow as the tech has been proven a valuable tool in the crisis management. While the solutions are far-reaching when fall in domain of smart cities, proving the space to be a worthwhile investment in the time of crisis management. The government has asked manufacturers to use their facilities to produce ventilators to boost the country's capacity of such is in view of rising COVID-19 cases. To be a valuable tool in the time of crisis management, while these all solutions are far-reaching, they all fall within the domain of cities, proving the space to be a worthwhile investment in the time of crisis. Also, the central government has asked automobile manufacturers to use their facilities to produce ventilators to boost the country's capacity of such machines in view of rising COVID-19 cases. Health Ministry said that the Defense Research and Development Organization will begin to produce 20,000 N95 masks per day. According to Infosys CFO, growth is a big challenge for India's IT industry for the session 2020 to 2021 due to the coronavirus impact. Apple said that it will miss its quarterly revenue due to the coronavirus, and it has also shut down all of its stores in China. Tim Cook has given permission to its employees to work from their home with limited no travel to Italy, South Korea, and China. According to Infosys CFO, growth is a big challenge for India's IT industry for the session 2020 to 2021 due to the coronavirus impact. Apps have been taken by Google and Facebook. They all have pulled out their SXSW festival. Companies are asking to their employees to work from their home and take mandatory leaves, and if they don't, a legal action will be taken against them. So now you know that the big tech giants of the world are taking strict measures to curb the spread of the virus. Ultimately will lead to the financial loss and the economy will crumble.
So now I would like to ask a question from Ms. Sargam. Please tell us something about environmental impact of coronavirus.
Coronavirus has taken life a lot of people all across the globe till date. As soon as we switch on the television, radios, our ear get flooded with similar negative news from all around the world. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, government of different nations are taking multiple steps and doing all that can be done to control the spread. We will notice all the negative effects as far as our nature healing itself. They enjoying the positives out of this deadly virus. It is quite vivid that environment seems to have pressed the hidden reset button it had to replenish itself. Clear blue skies, pollution-free air, less planes in sky, reduced pressure on resources. For some time only, but people have become conscious about what they eat. People now trying having only fruits and vegetables. Perhaps lockdown is an appreciated decision taken by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. It regulated an air of steady growth in less spread of this pandemic. Moreover, a special percentage of population has retarded, but if we look at the whole thing, there are many cases headed toward recovery. Mother Earth healing in a way better than ever, as couple of days it needed to breathe alone. In contrast to this healing process, there are some live examples in our country itself. Some Himachal hills are visible from Jalandhar city in Punjab, which is approx 200 km in distance. The water pollution in river Ganga is decreased, resulting in pure and visible water. Extinct animals are found on roads which nobody ever can imagine for. Soothing and calming sounds of bird chirping is again symbol of purity in air. Sky has immense beauty in itself which was not seen in about a decade. Adding to it, everything is positive and cheerful all around. Self-awareness in the competitive era, which all of us have to follow a hectic schedule. We honestly have very little time to think and act the way that is better for our health. So let's join our hands to come up all together with the nation. Let's pledge to go
for every possible safety measure and to follow quarantine with all our responsibilities and duty. We should hope for the best and gather positive vibes all around so as to make the world free from this pandemic. Thank you.
So, at last, I would like to ask a question from Miss Anupriya. Please tell us about the legal impact of coronavirus on our Indian economy.
Hello everyone, I will talk about the COVID-19 and its legal aspects which are taken by government in order to combat coronavirus. The coronavirus is the newly discovered disease which is spreading like the wildfire in the entire world. The COVID-19 virus is the virus which spreads from the droplets of the saliva or from the discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Now moving towards the steps which are taken by government to cure us from this virus. The government, first of all, screening of passengers is being done. State governments sealing the borders of their respective states. Government recently introduced the Arogya Setu app which will help the citizen to educate about the novel coronavirus. Government also provided the health insurance to the workers of the health society. Now the main point is that these steps are legal or not. Yes, the steps are legal and valid under the Epidemic Disease Act 1897. Under section 2, clause 2, subclause B states that the inspection of the person migrating from one place to another is being done and this is the legal procedure. In this, central as well as state government both have to take measures and they have full powers to take the measures. Now moving towards the consequences. The consequences who are not following the directions of the government. Under Indian Penal Code 1860, under section 188, the punishment of imprisonment up to 1 month. Under section 269, the imprisonment up to 2 months. And under section 270, the imprisonment is up to 2 years if you don't follow the rules. Now finally, I would like to conclude it as the World Health Organization is supporting the government by facilitating the healthcare system and strengthening it. But why only WHO? It is the time that we all have to support the government in preventing the measures by taking care of the directions which are given by the government and following the rules. Thank you.
So it's time to conclude now. As we all know that there is a political dissatisfaction among all the citizens, that everybody is telling that there is a negative impact on our Indian economy as all the countries will reduce their relations with China and India is also one of them. So there are many more opportunities for India to grab. And when I'm talking about the environmental analysis, then nature is healing by itself. The air is fresh now. Everywhere is cheerfulness and positivity. And now we can see all the animals and so many birds that were become existent. And when I'm talking about the social environment, then now we are also understand that how much we are dependent on each other, how much we can helpful for each other. And when I'm talking about the legal environment, then we also know that government is also taking so many initiating to stop this coronavirus. So at last, I would like to say stay at home, stay safe and maintain the social distancing. Thank you.
तो दोस्तों, हमने जाना कि कोरोना महामारी हमारे जीवन को बहुत बुरे तरीके से प्रभावित कर रही है। इसलिए ज़रूरी नहीं कि हर युद्ध तलवारों और ढालों से जीता जाए। कुछ युद्ध हम घर पर बैठकर भी जीत सकते हैं। घर रहे, सुरक्षित रहे। जय हिंद।